So let us begin with exercise 2.1 from the chapter sets. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. For the first bit, we have here the collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. So it is a set since we have 3 months in a year beginning with the letter J, that is January, June and July. For the next bit, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. This cannot be defined as a set because the field of the writers isn't mentioned. So therefore, not a set. Since the field of the writers isn't mentioned. The third bit, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Here also we cannot define this as a set because timeline isn't mentioned. It could be the current batsman or the previous, or it could be from a different gender. Even we have female batsmen of the world. Or neither is the age mentioned. So, not a set. Since the timeline, age or gender of the batsman isn't mentioned. For the fourth bit, we have here collection of all boys in your class. It can be clearly defined as a set since this is limited number and we know the boys in our class, so that could be defined as a set. So let's say I have beginning with Arun and ending with Tarun. So I can probably define this as from rule number 1, Arun, Arjun, so on till the last roll number. Probably let's say we have Shekhar in our class. So it is could be clearly defined. Next, the collection of all even integers. It is a set since it could be defined all even integers. So even numbers are from 2, 4, 6 and so on, and integers, so 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, infinity. It extends till infinity.